Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Ford Mustang 55 edition. This car marks 55 years of production for the Ford Mustang, and this one is in the Lucid red spec. It comes on with some 19-inch wheels, 5-liter V8. What makes me like this spec the most is the quad-tip exhaust. It makes the car look aggressive and more sporty. It's got a full leather interior, red accents all over. Look at the headrest. It's got the Mustang 55 edition logo. Now look at the red seat belts. Everywhere it's red on the dashboard. It's got the Mustang plaque. 55 years of excellence. Let's go. Even the door handles have Mustang in it. Yeah, this car was pretty nice. Now let's get to the sound part. This car shows why the Mustang's been around for more than 5 decades. It's truly amazing. Hope you guys been enjoying the videos we've been posting. There's a lot more awesome content coming up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.